Welcome guys. As you know, I have changed my YouTube channel as a crafting channel because my previous videos contains some copyright claims, so YouTube can delete my channel anytime. So I have decided this. I hope you will support me. So let's get started. We need some coloring papers, one scissor, pencil, wool, glue and some decorative mirrors. It will make the butterfly more beautiful. First, take any colored paper you want. I have took yellow because I like it so much. Now fold the paper into 3 parts. It will easy for us to cut the butterflies. Now we have to draw a butterfly on the paper. You can draw any kind of butterfly you want. Now, after draw it, you have to cut the butterfly carefully. My butterflies are ready. So we need 6 butterflies to make the butterfly. If you want to make 2 parts of butterfly, so you need 4 butterflies. I am making 3 parts of butterfly, so I am taking 6 butterflies. Now we need a string. I have took yellow color of string. You can take any color of string. Now we have to stick the butterfly on the string carefully. We have to stick the butterfly with strong glue. I am sticking the butterfly with the string carefully. Now I am taking a white pearl like this and sticking it in the middle of the string. Now I will put the pearl into the string. Now I will stick the second butterfly like the first butterfly. Now the second pearl will be stick like the first one. Then the third butterfly. So my butterfly is ready. Now I am sticking the mirror at the end of the string, so it will make the butterfly so gorgeous. So my butterfly wall hanging is ready. I hope you loved it. If you love my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye.